What's up everyone, Charles King here, and today I'm going to tell you about this bag right here. This has been my go-to bag for many years, and they just got an upgrade. So when I say I've been using this bag for many years, I mean the Tenba Axis camera bag system. They recently did an upgrade. This is the version 2, but as you've already seen in one of my previous videos with the Tenba version 1, it's already a fantastic camera bag and they just made it so much better. I'm just going to start like I didn't make that video already for the version 1 and just go over the entire bag. So going from the back to the front, this is a front opening camera bag system. You can access the interior compartment through 3 different points, one on the side, one on the back side, and one from the top. So going from the back though, this is a spot where you can open up and you have all sorts of different pockets, spot for your business card. There's a spot inside of here where you can actually even put an air tag, so you can use the Apple AirTag or Tile system to track this bag in case you ever lost it. There's one giant zipper pocket right here that allows you to keep everything here. I just realized my business cards are here and they're not in here. I don't know why that is, so let's do that together, shall we? And right here is the AirTag pocket where you can keep an AirTag or a towel or anything like that to track it. They put it inside here so it's hidden, so a thief wouldn't even know it's there. And that's inside of the main translucent pocket on the bag. This pocket goes all the way down here, so again, you can put another laptop or computer, tablet, etc. You can put it all right here. Also in the front of the bag, before we get to the inside part, is the laptop sleeve. So when you open this zipper right here, that's where you can fit a 16-inch laptop. If you had a 17-inch laptop, you might be able to fit in there because this fits very well. It's padded and very protected. I feel very safe having my laptop, and I normally have my laptop and my iPad in this sleeve right here on this section. This is the 32-liter version. They also have a 24 and a number of sizes that are much smaller than this one, but I went with the biggest version they had because when I use this bag, I'm normally bringing my cinema cameras or a lot of camera equipment, usually when I travel. This can definitely be used when you're not traveling, but for me, I normally use the Tenba Roadie rolling case system because it's normally heavy, but when I travel, this is the bag I use. This is the bag I use pretty much whenever I'm flying and traveling with a lot of camera equipment. So going back to talking about the bag, from the back to the front, they also have this little zipper down here, which is where you can pull out this little teeny tiny pocket, which is just like this, and this is where you can put your tripod. They designed this bag so that you can use 2 different spots to actually hold your tripod down. Normally, I've had plenty of great success using just this top one. It's fast for me. I drop the legs down below, I put it right here. And I have a tripod right here. So normally I just drop the legs down below just like this. I slide it straight down. I put it in a little pocket just like this. And I'm off to the races. I might tighten this down a little bit, I might not. But it depends on how much stuff I have on this outer pocket. But this normally holds very well, and I go about my merry way. So going right here, there's normally another pocket. You could put a tripod here or a gimbal or anything like that. They even have a strap right here to hold things down. But I normally use this spot to keep a water bottle because I'm normally a water bottle person, especially when I'm traveling. So this is where I normally keep my water bottle. If you did use that spot for tripods, there is a drainage hole just in case that tripod was ever wet or dirty, which again is fantastic and is great designing. The back of the bag has this really cool reflective material which you might not be able to see in this shot, which means that you do not see it when you're looking at it with the naked eye, but if lights were to hit it from like a car or something like that, it will be reflective for safety and things like that. So let's talk about one of the entrances to the inside camera compartment on the side. You just unzip right here. Again, it has that same material that's reflective and it's moly, so you could actually put accessories or pouches, not just from Tenba, from any type of tactical or military style mounting point. You could put that on any one of these straps. You open it just like this, and instantly you have access to your inside camera compartment. This is a full Canon C70 cinema camera. This is not a mirrorless DSLR size camera. This is a big one, and I can still access this camera from right there in that slot. To me, that is fantastic because that is what I normally travel with when I'm filming. I'm not filming with, smaller mirrorless cameras. I'm filming with the C70. That's a much bigger camera, and the fact is I can fit 2 C70s easily in this camera bag and still be able to access them very, very quickly using this side compartment. Also with this side compartment, there's another clear opening so you can see what's inside and keep batteries, cables, etc., right here in this compartment right here. Moving on to the top of the bag, this is where you have another access point to access the inside part of the camera bag. When you open this up, this is where you could have a number of different things. So the way I have the bag configured is I have the top divider like this, so it makes it like there's a shelf on the top of the bag. So when you look inside of it, I access things that I don't normally want to access from the inside of the bag, but just from the top. So for example, I have accessories in one of these Tenba accessory bags, so I could have my batteries, chargers, cables, deodorant, whatever I want to, I could have right there. And what I have below that is, in a Shimoda bag, is actually my drone. This is the drone, this is the drone batteries, this is all the chargers. It all fits right here in this medium Shimoda accessory bag. And you can see right here the top divider that I was telling you about. So theoretically, if you wanted to, you could put a camera body right here, so it would be quick to access, pull the camera like this, or you could have this configured where this spot is open and a camera with a long lens could go facing straight down. But again, for me, I like to have it where these things stay right here on the top shelf, just like that. In another configuration style, I would have just my audio in this top compartment if I didn't have the drone here, and that way it's like having its own department just for audio. So flipping the bag down and getting ready to go into the inside part of the bag, let's talk about this. The straps are very, very comfortable. They're padded, and more importantly than just being padded, they have great airflow, so you don't get super hot and sweaty having these padded straps on your body all day long or at an airport. So there's great ventilation. The air goes through there very well. They have straps right here, so you could, strap things like headphones or microphones, sunglasses, whatever you want to. You could easily put anything you want to on these 4 top straps. They also have 2 different torso straps. I normally just use one. I should probably just take one off, but they have 2 torso straps that you can easily snap right there to make it more comfortable. And then when you open this up, one of the best parts about this bag that I don't believe version 1 had is the trolley strap. So you can slide this on top of your rolling bag, which I do all the time when I'm at the airport. The second I'm out of the cab or car, this goes straight onto my rolling bag, my luggage bag. That way I don't have to carry this heavy bag all the time. And they even made it Velcro, so it's even quick and easier to get off your back when you want to, just like that. Right here you have 2 padded options to keep it, again, comfortable and padded on your back, as well as having good ventilation, so there's airflow going there, so you're not getting too hot and sweaty while carrying this bag. One of the things I love is that they included this waist strap on this bag, but something I love even more is that they made it so that this waist strap can come off quickly and easily. You just undo 2 parts right here, and then it has Velcro on the inside. And once you free the Velcro, it slides off just like that, so you can actually have this bag more sleek, more comfortable, less distracting when you don't need the waist strap. And when you do want it, you just slide the waist strap back in, quick and easy. Again, there's Velcro on the inside that you just slide straight into position. Put it like this, and then you just put the little strap into their spots, and that's it. So let's get into the bag. So opening up the back part of the bag, like I already said before, this bag is designed so you lay it on its back and you open its front. This is really, really convenient because it makes it so that your back doesn't get dirty whenever you open your camera bag. So you open it up just like this. So as I've already shown you before, I have this divider set up like this, so it makes a separate compartment for the top part of the bag. I access all this stuff using the top part. If I want to, I can pull the drone out this direction, but in most cases, I access it from the top of the bag. I currently have 3 lenses right here. I could also have accessories. I could have whatever I want. I could remove this if I want to and put clothes right here if I really want to, but that's how I have it currently laid out. I currently have it set up with a Canon C70 cinema camera with a lens on it right here, and when I'm traveling, I normally have a second Canon C70 camera right here with a lens on it. So let's count that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lenses, 2 cinema bodies, all my audio or drone, whatever I want to. I can keep all that right here on this inside compartment. They also have another spot right here so you can have organization, cables, etc., right here. And so this is how I can have all my main cameras and stuff like that in one spot ready to go when I travel. So all in all, I am very happy and excited with the changes that Tenba made with version 2 of this bag. Again, I've been using version 1 for a long time, and version 2 did not disappoint. I've already used this bag for international and domestic trips and had 2 full cinema camera bodies, as well as a number of lenses and my audio, all in one backpack. This bag has already served me very well. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Later.